I would like to thank IPK for giving me this second chance, and I wasn't lost anymore. I'm now found. My name is Jonathan David, and I study in Diploma of Computer Science. This award means everything to me, and it's like an appreciation for my hard work and for the effort that I've put. The first thought that actually came to my mind when I received the award was like, wow, I didn't expect that I could receive this award. And I was like, people were clapping for me, they were like cheering for me. I was like, whoa, this is something of a miracle. The first thing I do when I face challenge is to relax and to calm down on myself. And not only that when I face these challenges, I also talk with my close friends and my parents to release of whatever I'm feeling. Right now, if you're feeling lost, don't worry, because I was lost at one time. I felt like I had no purpose. I didn't know what to choose. Well, I would like to thank IPK for giving me this second chance to be able to study, so that to have a new hope, to have a new sense of purpose again, so that I can reach towards the goal which I'm striving for and fighting.